In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect QuickBooks with HoneyBook step by step. Whether you're a freelancer managing projects, payments, or invoices, this guide will help streamline your workflow by seamlessly syncing these two platforms using Zapier. So let's dive right in. To get started, open up Zapier. Zapier is a fantastic tool that helps to automate repetitive tasks without coding or relying on developers to build the integration. Once you're in Zapier, click on Create Zap. This feature allows us to build a workflow that connects our apps, in this case, HoneyBook and QuickBooks. Next, you'll need to set up the trigger for our Zap. In Zapier, a trigger is essentially an event that starts the automated workflow. For this tutorial, we'll be using HoneyBook as our trigger app. When you select HoneyBook, you'll have the option to set a trigger event. You can choose from options like new inquiry, new project, or new payment, depending on what you wish to sync to QuickBooks. For instance, if you want new projects in HoneyBook to create new invoices in QuickBooks, select new project as your event. Now you'll need to connect your HoneyBook account to Zapier. This step may require you to log into your HoneyBook account and authorize the connection. Once connected, it's time to test the trigger to ensure that Zapier can retrieve sample data from HoneyBook. This test is essential to confirm that everything is working correctly before moving on to the next steps. Moving on, it's time to determine the action in QuickBooks Online. The action is what you want to happen automatically in QuickBooks when the trigger event occurs in HoneyBook. In this case, select QuickBooks Online as your action app. You can then choose an action such as create customer, create invoice, or create sales receipt depending on what you need for your business process. Connect your QuickBooks account to Zapier by signing in and granting necessary permissions. This connection allows Zapier to perform actions in your QuickBooks account. After the accounts are linked, head over to Map Fields. You'll need to map the data from your HoneyBook trigger to the corresponding field in QuickBooks. For instance, match fields like name to name, email to email, and amount to ensure data accuracy. With fields mapped, it's crucial to test the action to verify that the integration works seamlessly. Conduct a test to see if a record shows up correctly in QuickBooks. This validation is an added layer of assurance that all your data transfer activities will function as expected. Finally, once satisfied with the test results, don't forget to turn your Zap on. Turning the Zap on will initiate the automated workflow you've just created, seamlessly integrating HoneyBook with QuickBooks. And there you have it. You can now enjoy an efficient workflow, saving time and reducing errors. Feel free to replay the video for any clarification, and thank you for watching.